Outdoor draperies really provide an elegant look to any space. People like to use the outdoor draperies because it creates shade and it also adds a little bit of style and glamour to any area. There are truly hundreds of different fabrics you can choose. This is a performance fabric made to be exposed to all the elements. People use them for gazebos, pergolas, a lot of different applications. Outdoor draperies finishes any project. I think it's that finishing touch that brings it all together. Those things are what truly makes your home.